Do you often find yourself struggling to project strength and confidence, leaving you feeling like a pushover in both personal and professional settings? Fear not, as we've compiled a comprehensive list of 9 practical and effective ways to overcome looking weak and feeling weak, and take charge of your life with unshakable confidence. Welcome to Beginner's Friend. Today, we are diving into a topic that affects us all: how looking and feeling weak can hinder our growth and success in today's competitive world. It's no secret that in this fast-paced society, the perception of strength can significantly impact our lives. Whether it's in the workplace, social settings, or personal relationships, the way we present ourselves holds immense power. The reality is, appearing weak or feeling inadequate can have detrimental effects on our mental health. From self-doubt to missed opportunities, it can lead to a cycle of negativity that impacts our mental health in ways we often underestimate. But here's the good news: by cultivating strength, both internally and externally, we can revolutionize our lives and soar to new heights of success. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Step number 1: self-compassion and acceptance. Getting stronger means knowing we are not perfect and being kind to ourselves. Being nice to yourself means understanding that making mistakes is part of learning and everyone faces tough times sometimes. When we accept our flaws, we start feeling more sure of ourselves. Self-acceptance means recognizing both what's good and not so good about ourselves without being too hard on ourselves. It's all about feeling good about who we are and knowing that nobody's perfect. When you're okay with who you are, it's easier to handle tough situations and feel calm inside. Being kind to yourself means treating yourself well, especially when things are hard. It's about understanding your own problems without blaming yourself, becoming stronger, and building a good relationship with yourself. We all have things that make us special. Instead of thinking about what we don't have, let's focus on what we are good at. Embrace what makes you unique and use it to your advantage. When you're focused and confident in what makes you different and in what you're good at, it's easier to forget about any feelings of not being good enough. You start to believe in yourself more and see your strengths instead of your weaknesses. Step number 2: physical strengthening. Improving our physical strength shows how strong we are inside. To get stronger, do exercise regularly. Choose activities you like and make them part of your routine. Things like lifting weights, running, or doing yoga not only make you physically fit, but also help your mind feel better. When you exercise, your body releases stuff called endorphins, which can make you happier and more confident. This helps to lower stress and anxiety. Always remember that a body that's strong can make you feel more sure of yourself. Exercise isn't just good for your body, but also for your feelings and thoughts. Making exercise a part of your everyday routine is a great way to stop feeling weak. Eating good food is also really important for staying healthy in your body and mind. Having the right food gives your body the things it needs to stay strong and energetic. Doing regular exercise, getting strong, and living healthily helps you be more confident. It's not just about how you look, but also about how strong you seem to others. Exercise doesn't only make you physically fit, but also releases things that make your mind feel good. When you mix that with eating right and having good posture, it tells others that you're strong and full of life. It helps lower stress and anxiety, and makes you feel like you've achieved something. Always remember, taking care of your body by exercising and eating well doesn't only make you physically strong, it also makes your mind stronger. Exercise helps lower stress and anxiety, and having good food helps your whole body feel good. Doing all this helps you feel stronger both in your mind and body. Step number 3: mental fortitude through mindfulness. When you practice mindfulness, you learn to be more aware of what's happening right now, without getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. It's like training your brain to stay in the present moment. Doing things like meditation or deep breathing helps with this. They make you less stressed, worried, or stuck thinking about the same things over and over. Instead, they help you manage your emotions better and bounce back from tough times. It's sort of like building a shield that helps you handle tough situations without getting too upset. It's a way to feel less stressed and anxious. When you practice mindfulness regularly, it's like giving yourself a gift. It can make you feel happier and more in control of your emotions. Another important part of mindfulness is gratitude. This means taking time to notice and appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. It's like changing the way you look at things, focusing on what's going well instead of what's not. This helps you see things in a positive way, making you feel happier and more satisfied with yourself. Remember, being mindful isn't just about feeling good. It's about staying strong when things get tough. It's like having a mental superpower that helps you face challenges without feeling overwhelmed. One way to strengthen your mind is by thinking about times when you've succeeded or overcome difficulties in the past. By reminding yourself of these moments, you can change how you see yourself. Instead of focusing on what you can't do, you start seeing all the things you're capable of achieving. Practicing mindfulness and using visualization techniques can be like exercises for your mind. They help you concentrate better, believe in yourself, and imagine your success. Step number 4, building a support network. Having supportive friends, family, mentors, and colleagues is super important. They help us feel good about ourselves, give us good advice, and cheer us on. When you have people around who care, it helps you feel like you belong and not alone, especially when things get tough. Feeling connected and supported is really important for our feelings and thoughts. And always remember, vulnerability isn't a weakness, it's admitting we're human. Being vulnerable means sharing your struggles, fears, and uncertainties. It helps form real connections and makes it easier for others to understand what you're going through. When you accept vulnerability, it strengthens relationships and makes you stronger. The people you hang out with can really affect how confident you feel. So, it's great to have positive and supportive pals who always have your back and push you forward. Getting advice from these supportive folks and mentors can be super helpful. They share their experiences, give you tips, and motivate you to grow and feel better about yourself. Talking to this supportive bunch and getting advice can really help us during tough times. Remember, the people we are around can really affect how we feel. Making and keeping good relationships helps us grow as people. Being around folks who want us to do well, give us good feedback, and celebrate our strengths really helps us feel confident. They give us good vibes that make us feel strong, even when things are tough. Step number 5, strategic goal setting. Creating achievable goals helps you map out your progress. To do this, break big goals into smaller steps that you can actually do. This way, every time you finish one of these smaller steps, you'll feel good about it. It's like checking things off a list, it feels great. This isn't just about feeling motivated, it's also about feeling sure you can do things. When you set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, and then make a plan to achieve them, it gives you a direction and keeps you wanting to do more. When you know what you're aiming for, it's easier to decide what things are most important to do first, and that makes it easier to concentrate. Doing this helps you believe in yourself more. Meeting these goals makes you feel accomplished and gives you the strength to face challenges. Breaking big dreams into small, manageable steps is the trick to gaining confidence and keeping at it. Every time you reach these smaller goals, it boosts your belief in yourself and makes you want to achieve even more. This way of doing things helps you improve bit by bit, and doesn't make big goals seem overwhelming. Setting clear and doable goals gives you a purpose and keeps you on track. They help you focus and stay motivated. Goals are like a map, they guide you and keep you going. Making sure these goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound gives you direction and keeps you from feeling lost. Change can be scary, and taking risks can feel risky, but they can also help you grow and find new chances. Lots of people are scared of change, but if you learn to accept it and take some risks in a smart way, it can help you reach your full potential. Reaching your goals is a strong way to get tougher and more able to handle things. Start small, then work your way up. Every time you reach a goal, celebrate it. Feeling accomplished makes you stronger inside. With each task you finish, you'll get more confident and less worried about feeling weak. By thinking that you can grow and get better, you become more adaptable and sure of yourself. Step number 6, learning from failure. A growth mindset means believing that you can get better at things by working hard and staying dedicated. Having this mindset can help you feel stronger and more confident when you face new things. It's all about thinking that with effort and hard work, your skills and talents can improve. Embracing challenges, learning from mistakes, and always looking for chances to improve are important parts of this mindset. Failing is a normal part of life, but it's how you deal with it that matters. Seeing failure as a chance to learn rather than a step backward is really important. It teaches you to be tough, solve problems, and keep going, making you stronger and better at handling tough situations. A growth mindset isn't just about believing in your abilities, it's about growing stronger by facing challenges. This mindset helps you stop feeling weak and start growing personally. When you see challenges as opportunities to learn and get better, you start seeing setbacks as ways to improve rather than failures. It's natural to feel scared of failing, but avoiding our fears can make us feel even weaker. To build strength, you have to face your fears, even if it's one small step at a time. Developing mental strength involves practices like mindfulness and meditation, which help manage stress and build emotional strength. Getting help or guidance when things get tough is also crucial because it helps you adapt and come back stronger after facing setbacks. Remember, failing doesn't make you weak, it's part of life's journey. Learning from failure helps you grow, adapt, and become tougher when things get hard. Instead of aiming for perfect outcomes, focusing on progress helps you stay motivated and strong. Celebrating even the small achievements along the way boosts your positivity and keeps you moving forward. Always remember, building resilience makes you mentally strong and better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. Step number 7, assertive communication skills. Assertive communication is about speaking up in a confident way while still respecting others' thoughts. It's all about expressing yourself clearly without being mean, and really paying attention when others speak. Getting good at assertive communication helps you feel sure of yourself, and makes sure people understand what you think and need. When you communicate well, people see you as more self-assured. You can practice by talking in front of a mirror, joining groups where you talk in public, and reading books about how to communicate better. Good communication is super important when you want to stop feeling weak. If you improve how you talk and listen, assert yourself, and say what you think clearly, you'll seem more confident and able. Being good at communication is like having a strong base. If you become skilled at being assertive, listening actively, and explaining your ideas well, it doesn't just show confidence. It also helps you look believable and influential in different situations. Step number 8, self-care and wellness routines. Taking care of yourself involves doing things that help your body, feelings, and thoughts. It's about enjoying hobbies, relaxing, eating good food, and sleeping well. These are really important for staying healthy overall. When you take time for self-care, you can feel less stressed, happier, and more valuable. Looking after yourself matters a lot for both your mind and body. Make sure you rest enough, eat well, and do things that bring you joy. Self-care isn't just good for you, it can make you feel more energetic and sure of yourself. It's super important to care for your body and mind to get stronger. Focus on things like sleep, eating healthy, and doing things that relax you. When you take care of yourself, you become stronger. Always remember that our body and mind are connected. By sticking to a healthy routine with good food, exercise, and sleep, you can get fitter and feel more confident. Step number 9, confidence-boosting techniques. Confidence isn't something you're born with. You can build it up. Positive affirmations mean saying good things about yourself over and over, making you believe more in what you can do. Turns out, this can actually change how you feel and make you feel more confident. Visualization is about picturing success in your mind, like practicing for the big game. Low self-esteem can make you feel weak. Try focusing on what you're good at and setting little goals you can achieve. When you do something awesome, don't forget to celebrate it. Dressing nicely can also make you feel more sure of yourself and change how people see you. Pick clothes that fit well and match your style. When you have negative thoughts, ask yourself if they are true or just scared feelings. Change those bad thoughts into good ones by thinking about how to fix things instead of why you can't. How you talk to yourself makes a big difference in how you feel about yourself. Be nice to yourself, notice what you're good at, and think good thoughts. If you work on this, you'll be stronger, kinder, and better at dealing with tough stuff. Confidence comes from believing in yourself and doing stuff. Say good things to yourself every day, set doable goals, and imagine being awesome. And, did you know standing up straight can change how you feel about yourself and what others think about you? It's true. Good posture makes you look and feel stronger. Your clothes matter too. They can make you feel more confident and look powerful. Find clothes that make you feel great and wear them proudly. Looking good and standing confidently can make a big difference when you're trying to seem strong. Good posture, eye contact, and open body language all show you're confident. Doing these things not only makes others see you as strong, but also makes you feel more sure of yourself. Always remember, feeling weak can be a challenging and limiting feeling, but it doesn't have to define who you are. By incorporating these 9 proven ways to overcome looking weak and feeling weak, you can build your physical and mental strength, boost your self-confidence, and open the door to new opportunities in your life. And watch this video to identify the 6 most dangerous habits that have been proven to keep people poor forever, and destroy your journey to financial freedom in this present world.